In the late 19th century, the Statue of Liberty emerged as a beacon of freedom, a symbol of the enduring alliance between France and the United States, and an embodiment of shared democratic ideals. Its origins trace back to the visionary collaboration of French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi and prominent political thinker Édouard René de Laboulaye. The story of the statue is not merely one of art and engineering, but also a narrative woven with historical significance. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new updates, economic challenges, and a profound human spirit. The idea of the Statue of Liberty germinated in 1865 during a dinner conversation hosted by Laboulaye. A staunch advocate of Republican ideals, he admired the United States for its democratic experiment and recent abolition of slavery. Laboulaye proposed a grand gesture to celebrate the centennial of American independence and to cement the Franco-American friendship. This gesture would be a gift from the French people to the United States, symbolizing liberty and the pursuit of justice. Bartholdi, inspired by Laboulaye's vision, embarked on the ambitious project. He envisioned a colossal statue depicting a robed woman representing Libertas, the Roman goddess of liberty, holding a torch aloft to illuminate the world. The figure would also clutch a tablet inscribed with the date of American independence, July 4, 1776. It was not just an artistic endeavor, but a political and philosophical statement reflecting the ideals both nations cherished. However, the realization of this monumental gift required more than artistic vision. The project demanded enormous financial and logistical resources, prompting Laboulaye and Bartholdi to launch a fundraising campaign in France. Contributions poured in from diverse segments of society, including school children, farmers, and industrialists. Patriotic fervor drove the French populace to support the endeavor, viewing it as a testament to their commitment to liberty and a gesture of goodwill toward their American counterparts. Despite widespread enthusiasm, the fundraising efforts faced hurdles. Economic constraints and political upheavals in France created challenges. Nonetheless, the resilience of the organizers and contributors prevailed. Public events, including lotteries, auctions, and theatrical performances, were organized to generate funds. The press played a crucial role, keeping the public informed and engaged in the project's progress. Bartholdi commenced work on the statue in 1875. Collaborating with engineer Gustave Eiffel, renowned for his expertise in structural design, Bartholdi ensured that the statue would withstand the test of time and environmental elements. Eiffel designed an iron framework to support the copper sheets that formed the statue's exterior, a pioneering feat in engineering. The structure combined elegance with durability, showcasing the ingenuity of its creators. The construction of the statue progressed in stages. Bartholdi first created smaller models, which were gradually scaled up to the final monumental size. Each detail of the statue, from the folds of the robe to the rays of the crown, was meticulously crafted. Artisans and laborers in Bartholdi's workshop in Paris toiled for years to bring the vision to life. The statue's components were fabricated in sections, later to be assembled on site in the United States. By 1884, the statue was complete in France. It stood tall in its temporary home, a testament to the collaborative effort of countless individuals. The challenge now was to transport this colossal gift across the Atlantic. Disassembling the statue into over 300 pieces, the French packed it into crates and shipped it aboard the French frigate Isir to New York. The journey was symbolic, a literal passage of liberty from one continent to another. Upon its arrival in the United States in 1885, the statue faced another set of challenges. The pedestal, which the Americans were responsible for constructing, was not yet complete. Financial difficulties had stalled the project. Joseph Pulitzer, publisher of the New York World, launched a campaign to raise funds, appealing directly to the public. His innovative approach galvanized support from ordinary citizens who contributed whatever they could afford. This grassroots effort underscored the democratic spirit the statue represented. The pedestal, designed by American architect Richard Morris Hunt, was finally completed in April 1886. Constructed of concrete and granite, it provided a sturdy foundation for the statue. Assembly began on Liberty Island, then known as Bedloe's Island, in New York Harbor. Engineers and workers meticulously reconstructed the statue, aligning each piece with precision. The process took months, culminating in the statue's grand unveiling. On October 28, 1886, the Statue of Liberty was formally dedicated in a ceremony presided over by President Grover Cleveland. Bartholdi himself was present, witnessing the fruition of his years of labor. The dedication marked a historic moment, as the statue was embraced as a symbol of hope, freedom, and the enduring bond between France and the United States. The crowd's cheers and the thunderous sound of cannon fire echoed across the harbor, celebrating this monumental achievement. The statue's maintenance and preservation have been an ongoing commitment. Over the years, weathering and environmental factors have necessitated restoration efforts. In the early 20th century, structural reinforcements were made to address wear and tear. During the 1980s, a major restoration project was undertaken to prepare the statue for its centennial celebration in 1986. This extensive effort involved replacing the original torch and repairing the iron framework and copper sheathing. These measures ensured that the statue would continue to inspire future generations. The Statue of Liberty's impact extends beyond its physical presence. It has become an enduring emblem of freedom and democracy, welcoming millions of immigrants who passed through Ellis Island in search of a better life. Its image is etched into the collective consciousness, symbolizing the ideals of equality, opportunity, and hope. The statue's significance transcends its origins, embodying universal aspirations for liberty and justice. The gift of the Statue of Liberty from France to the United States represents a remarkable chapter in the history of both nations. It is a story of shared values, collective effort, and enduring friendship. The statue stands as a testament to the power of collaboration and the resilience of the human spirit, illuminating the path toward a future where liberty and justice prevail.